Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change age in Clash Royale. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, get to the application, simply open it and make sure that you're logged into your account. And then from here, what you're gonna do is get to the settings, right? So right now here you can see I am on the battle page. From here you need to tap on this menu bar right here and then tap on settings. After doing that, tap on help and support. And then from here, you can see a chat icon on the top right corner, tap on it, and then tap on leave a message under the contact us option. So after tapping on it here, now you need to leave a message. So all you need to do is tap on this enter your message option right here, and then you'll need to write them a message. So for example, here you can see I have written something like, hello Clash Royale support team. I recently received that my age on Clash Royale account is incorrect and other things that is required. So all you need to do is simply write down the message just like this and then tap on the send button right here. And they will most likely reply to you very quickly. And in here you can see they have replied that you can manage your game and Supercell ID data on this menu. So what you're going to do is tap on request my data just like this. And then here you can see they have now given you the further process. So you can simply tap on continue and continue with the verification of your age. And like that, you'll be able to change the age on Clash Royale. So hopefully this would work for you guys. So after tapping on continue here, you can see they have given me the further process of what to do in order to verify my age and change my age in my account. So you can go through all of this and go with the process of changing your age. And just like that, you'll be able to change your age on your Clash Royale. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.